MSG.
So now we're ready to tell you our next class would be on February before Valentine. So, hey guys, do you like another class? Did you enjoy yourself?
Yes.
Yes, it was wonderful.
Yeah, the food is good.
Very
Oh.
nice.
Okay, so Swarna. Yes. So are you coming on February or do you want your friends to know about this?
Yes, I will come in February, and I will let my friends know about it. Yeah, you will give me the CD, isn't it? You're gonna give me a DVD. Yeah, that's good because then I can do this at home, and then my husband can try, and next time he can come with me.
Beautiful.
So
Excellent.
Excellent. So, Rochana. So, do you want to come February?
Yeah, this is a very good idea. Actually, I didn't know that there is this kind of like this discussion and this hands-on preparation of raw food. And well, I would suggest, some of the what you call that, our members, okay. At home, we can do this. Like for example, they decided to go this month on that house, and then we can have this, invite some people, even outside of another market, these regular people that used to eat, cook and overcooked food. So this is something new. This to me is something really very new to me.
So, what would you like for the preparations in the future? Would it be like salads? Would it be burgers? Would it be
Cakes.
cakes, sweets? What do you think?
Well, everything is okay as it
Like a
actually
meal.
goes. Like it's a complete meal.
A complete meal.
Yeah,
You
it's
want
a complete meal. Yes.
Just like this.
Just like this.
Okay, good. So Swarna, what's your suggestion for next time?
for next time, I think next time maybe we can do the run hamburgers.
Hamburger?
Yeah, we can try.
This one?
This one that you brought, so we.
These burgers?
Yeah, we can
Okay,
do that one.
different kinds of burgers? Good suggestion.
Yeah, we can do another different kind of cake.
Okay, so a meal also.
Yes, and I don't know, we can do lots of
Everything.
Everything.
We basically have breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
Okay, good. We'll do some breakfasting later on. Okay, Dada.
Yes.
What do you eat for breakfast?
Let's sweeten the
For
world.
with breakfast, we eat chocolate bars, raw chocolate bars without sugar, and we just enjoy this because it's the same
Yeah, the same
thing.
thing.
Yeah.
And then we put some greens and a smoothie. Normally, lots of us would take a smoothie full of great stuff like greens and fruits. And I put wheatgrass and some other stuff in my breakfast. So Dada, what's your suggestion for next time?
A bigger table.
Okay, good. So Tapan, what's your suggestion? What would you like next time? A meal or?
So the whole thing today has been educational for me personally.
You're cook
And I-
vegetarian for how long?
For since 99, so up to now.
So
I'm
what do
still
you
learning.
think what's good for you for next time?
For next time, more of the dessert.
Okay.
Why? Because I think we all eat different kind of vegetarian meals, cook or raw. I think if we learn how to make more of raw dessert, because the conventional dessert that we buy from the store is loaded with a lot of sugars and you know whatnot. So learning how to do more of the dessert is complements the whole meal of whatever you're serving. So for me, dessert is the most important thing to complement the meal of the day.
Okay, talking about desserts, we have here some desserts. It's actually like carob balls and some yam cookie, some yam shortbread here. Okay. So
Young
if
bread,
you're
huh?
looking
Wow,
at-
interesting.
Hello.
Yeah. Well done.
But then, thank you everyone. Vivi, what is your suggestion?
I would like some more salad.
Salad.
Maybe the salad can include some grains, whole grains,
Wow.
sprout grains,
Sprouted greens.
yeah, sprouted beans.
Mm.
And vinaigrette dressings.
Also, yeah, but the sprouts are.
Sprouts. She loves sprouts.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll put everything in next time.
That's better.
Thank you guys.